Those ducks are eating that fodder that I tried to grow. It wasn't very tall. I was trying to catch the chickens out here eating it a while ago. They're all gained up. The ducks are running the chickens off the fodder and backwards and forwards, and the ducks go to the water and come back to the fodder. But they like it. It's dry grass. I mean fescue. But it's slow growing. I'm trying to find some better seeds to make fodder out of. But so far they going to town on there. Their chickens, ducks and all. You see them ducks running over there eating it. I don't know if I get my camera over there they'll run off, but they're eating it. They need something green to eat and they're enjoying that stuff. So like I said a while ago, all the chickens and everybody's over there eating on that stuff. So I'll try to catch the chickens eating on it. Next time I put some out there, they're hungry. They're over there in raised beds over there and scattered all around. There's some over beside the house, right there in the shade there. There are chickens and ducks all over this yard, headed back to the water. But, so, that's, uh-oh, here comes Pistol. There goes Pistol, that's a Stormy. I mean Vanna. Watch her, Van Van. Better watch him. Pistol wants to pick on these little dogs. There he goes. Better get in here, Vanna. See there, you're looking underneath the fence there now. He's something else now. He said, oh well, I'll go back. He's the head duck around here, I guess. Well, here we are in my kitchen. I'm trying to learn to grow this fodder. I don't have a permanent setup yet, place to grow this stuff. I set this table up here in my kitchen with a makeshift stand for my light and everything. But it seems to be working so far. I'm going to get a better deal here. But the grass seems to be growing. This is fescue that I'm trying here. I know it's probably not the best thing to start with, but as you've seen on the chicks and the ducks, the chickens and the ducks, they really go for it. It's growing pretty good. It's coming up, germinating. So this is just a temporary deal, but it seems to be doing decent. You know, I'm keeping it sprayed with water. So I'm going to give it a bit of time. Quit trying to rush nature. Things want to grow so fast. But you can kind of see at an angle here where it's coming on up. I've never gotten none over 2 inches tall so far. Well, I fed it to them, but they sure get into it. They like it. I mean, they'll tear one of these trays here up. I cut it in half, tear it in half, and I'd have it ate down in about 4 hours, off and on, eating on it and stuff. So, but a cheaper way of feeding your chickens and your ducks, they seem to really like it. I think I got my rotation messed up. I think this should be behind this one. This one's coming up more. And down here, I have got some oat seeds. Keeping it down here in the dark. I get them germinate. I have 3 trays, these 3 10-20 trays right here. So they'll be coming up on top of the table soon as they start germinating. So it's just a little makeshift redneck setup right now till find out a good place to put it in this cold weather. They got the room up front. I had those mealworms in. They're not doing too great either. Something's killing my worms and pupae and my beetles up there. I can't figure out what I'm doing wrong. I'm going to do some more research on that part of it. But I just want to kind of show you what I'm trying to do over here at the Rooster Garden. Learn new ways of feeding my animals, cheaper way of doing it. So, do y'all have any ideas on how to go about this stuff? I'm still learning and researching and listening to people. But like I said, so far they really like it. They like eating it. So, time will tell. I just got to get me some kind of permanent setup and right lighting and all that stuff. So, like I said, chickens and ducks, you've seen the video clips I got of them eating it. So, time will tell. Alright, if y'all got any comments or anything, let me know. So, talk to y'all later. Bye.